All right. So because we've taken an oath at Money Expo to present to you only the best, we bring to you our next leader who's here to propagate the goodness of no code option automation. Let's give it up for Mr. Kushal Jain, the CEO of AlgoFox. Mr. Kushal Jain is a full-time trader with 7+ years of algo trading expertise. He's developed 3,000 plus algorithms to simplify trading for retail investors, enabling automated trading without coding knowledge. Much needed, Mr. Jain, much needed. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Jain. Mr. Jain, the audience awaits. Thank you.
Mic check. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Kushal and I will be here for next 20 minutes to help you automate your trades in options. When I talk about options, I am very specific about options trading in Indian market. So how many of you here trade in options? Can you raise your hands? How many of you trade in options? Great. So today I want to talk about how to automate trades in options. So we'll be talking about algo trading. Now when I talk about algo trading, a lot of retail traders are afraid to take that leap from manual trading to algo trading because of one big factor, and that is coding. Do you guys agree with me? Yes? How many of you here want to shift from manual trading to algo trading but are afraid because of coding? I can see a lot of people. What if I solve that today? That will be helpful? Yes? So, all right. My name is Kushal. I'm co-founder of AlgoFox. Meet my co-founder virtually. He is Mr. Hasmukh Prajapati. He has a wide experience of over 10 years in the stock markets. I'm a full-time trader since last 10.5 years. And these are the problems that we feel every option trader faces. And let me know after when I complete this slide if you agree with me. First issue is fast movement of price. By the time we want to enter, by the time we load the chart, by the time I punch the order, the premium was 100 rupees, but by the time I placed order it was at 102. And when the target reached, by the time I wanted to exit at, let us say, 200, when I wanted to exit, the price came down to maybe 195 or 196. Does this happen? Yes or no? The fast movement of price is a pain. Second, mismatch in backtest and live report. There are a lot of backtesting platforms. Okay, by the way, I hope you guys know what is backtesting, right? You guys know what is backtesting. Backtesting is nothing but checking the past performance of the strategy. So a lot of traders I personally meet, they say, I see a strategy that has given 100% returns last year, but when I deployed, it gave me minus 100% in the next 1 month. Does that happen? That is because of the slippage. What do you mean by slippage? Slippage is nothing but the difference in the price, theoretical price versus practical price because of the latency. For example, if I am a manual trader, if I am punching the order, by the time I see the price, by the time I punch the buy button, if it is the entire journey is taking 3 to 4 seconds, in that 3 to 4 seconds delay, I am losing my price by 2 to 3 points in options. And when I say 2 to 3 points in options, in percentage, it comes down to maybe 3 to 4% slippage. So if a strategy is giving you maybe 600% returns a month, I repeat, if a strategy is giving you approximately 600% returns a month by taking 2 trades a day with 3% slippage, it will give you minus 100%. Do you understand what I am trying to say? Yes? How many of you are understanding what I am trying to say? Perfect. So there is a mismatch in backtest and live, because backtest may we feel at 9:20:00 I will sell ATM call, sell ATM put, but in manual trading it is 9:20:05 पे call बेचा, 9:20:10 पे put बेचा, and there is a disparity. Third, manual adjustments are very tough. For example, especially when you are trading with big quantity, And if you're trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, if multiple positions are open, some call legs are open, some put legs are open, we often get puzzled ki which one should I exit, which one should I re-enter, which strike should I cut, which strike should I add. So manual adjustments are difficult. However, if you already know your game plan, let us say before 9:15, you write down on your paper कि मैं 100 रुपए का कॉल बेचूंगा, 100 रुपए का पुट बेचूंगा, 100 से 150 होगा तो ये एग्जिट करूंगा, ये एंटर करूंगा. Even if everything is crystal clear in your head, still executing in the live market becomes extremely difficult. And that is what I mean when I say manual adjustments are tough. And fourth, too much of screen time. How many of you here are working professional and doing trading as your second source of income, doing trading for your second source of income, right? So you guys might agree with me that when you have extra lots invested, you're not able to focus on your job or business, you're not even able to focus on your option trading. Am I right? मैं बहुत जोर से बोल रहा हूँ, आप थोड़ा तो बोल दो. Yes or no? Yes. ठीक है. So too much of screen time is also an issue. We are not able to give time to our family, our friends, and every time we are sitting in front of anything, even if you are watching a movie, I've seen a lot of traders, even if they are watching a movie, उनका ऐसा screen refresh होते रहेगा मोबाइल में, right? So this is one of the issues, right? So again, there is a 0DT expiry that has come. Every day we have an expiry: Thursday Nifty, Wednesday Bank Nifty, Tuesday Fin Nifty, etc., etc. So for 0DT expiry, the method of trading has changed. Change in the strike selection approach. 4 years or 3 years before, मतलब people used to select ATM call, ATM put, ITM call, OTM put, etc., etc. But now, because of synthetic futures, people are choosing premium price. Like at 9:20, if I was supposed to select ATM call and ATM put, which is very easy, instead of that, if I am doing a weekly option, now I am choosing a call of 200 rupees, a put of 200 rupees. To hedge that out, I am not choosing FAR OTM call or put, I am being very specific, a call of 5 rupees, a put of 5 rupees, so forth and so on. And because of which things have changed. Market may change in the strike selection approach, shifting the strike. If 200 rupees premium becomes 250, exit, find another strike which is at 200 rupees, enter. If it again goes to 250, exit, again do it until and unless my money becomes double, etc., etc. So these are the kind of setups, the mathematical computational things that a lot of traders are deploying on day-to-day basis, plus applying multi-setup with risk management. That means a lot of traders here are also doing option selling plus option buying, combining them on day-to-day basis to tackle the volatility. Some days markets are extremely flat, some days the markets are directional, some days they are extremely volatile. So if you're just doing option selling, you might not make very good money. If you're just doing option buying, you might not make very good money, but if you combine both of them plus conditional combination will give you a lot of money. How many of you would like to learn some conditional combination strategy today? थोड़े लोग सो भी रहे हैं, so वापस से हाथ उठाइए. How many of you would like to learn some conditional combination strategies today? Yes, perfect. So let's discuss something. Solution is very simple. Solution is automation. Super fast order execution चाहिए. We have built a platform where your order execution takes less than 100 milliseconds. That is 1/10 of 1 second. So just to give a perspective, धोनी की सबसे फास्टेस्ट स्टंपिंग थी 300 मिलीसेकेंड्स की, राइट, एंड उसका 1/3 में आपका ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा, राइट. सो सुपर फास्ट ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूशन. सो सिंस द ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूशन इज वेरी वेरी फास्ट, स्लिपेज विल बी लेस, सो योर बैक टेस्ट रिजल्ट एंड योर लाइव रिजल्ट विल बी इन सिंक, दे विल मेक मोर सेंस. थर्ड, automated adjustments. You don't have to do manual adjustments. Automated adjustments like re-entry, re-execution. Now what is re-entry, re-execution? Since I have less time, I will not be able to explain, but yeah, you can do a lot of adjustments for call, for put, exiting one, entering other, all of that is possible. Plus the most important thing according to me, the solution that algo trading brings is zero screen time. You click on a start button in the morning, you forget, you disconnect your mobile, you disconnect your internet, you shut down your laptop, put your mobile in flight mode, enjoy the movie, focus on your work. It does not matter. Your results will be efficient, the trades will be taken on time, profits or loss will be booked on time, right? So shall we discuss one strategy right now? If anyone wants, they can write down on the pen and paper. They can also back test. Unfortunately, since I will not be able to access my laptop, मैं अपना back test report नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा, but आप घर जाके इस strategy को back test करना, ठीक है? So if you want, you can note down. It's an option selling strategy. First, we will discuss one option selling strategy. Then we will discuss one option buying strategy, and then I'll teach you how to automate it. Okay? So yeah, we will at 9:30 a.m. we will short Bank Nifty call and Bank Nifty put, which is closest to rupees 200 weekly option. ठीक है? We will short at 9:30 200 rupees का call, 200 rupees का put at 9:30. Okay? And we will keep a stop loss of 50%. We'll keep a stop loss of 50%, right? There is no target, कोई target नहीं है, stop loss है. For example, 200 rupees का call बेचा, 200 rupees का put बेच दिया, तो stop loss क्या होगा? क्या होगा stop loss? 300, 100 जो बोल रहे हैं उनको ऑप्शन नहीं आता. 300 is your stop loss. ठीक है? So 300 rupees stop loss on call, 300 rupees stop loss on put, and there is a re-entry. What do you mean by re-entry? For example, if market goes up, call का stop loss trigger हो जाएगा. Perfect. If the market comes back down that day, वापस वो 300 से 200 आ जाएगा. We will again re-enter. Is it clear? स्टार्टिंग में हमने 200 का कॉल बेचा, 200 का पुट बेचा, मार्केट अगर ऊपर गया तो कॉल का स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो जाएगा, पुट में प्रॉफिट आएगा. वापस मार्केट नीचे आ गया तो पुट तो वैसे का वैसे ही, इट इज देयर, कॉल में हम री एंट्री कर लेंगे. या फिर मार्केट नीचे गया तो कॉल में प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, पुट में स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो गया, बाई चांस मार्केट ऊपर चला जाए तो वी विल अगेन री एंटर इन द पुट. सो वी विल डू इट ओनली वंस इन कॉल, वंस इन पुट इफ नीडेड, इफ नॉट नीडेड नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है? एंड to deploy this strategy, 1.2 lakh rupees margin is needed. You can backtest this strategy on any backtesting platform that you like, right? And unfortunately I'm not able to show you, but मैं कोई YouTube video की हमारी link दे दूंगा या इसका backtesting का link दे दूंगा. In the last 7 years, the strategy has never made losses month on month basis. Yes, day wise it has made losses and all of that stuff. In the last 7 years, if you deploy 1.2 lakh after brokerage, taxes and slippage, this strategy has given you 6.5 lakh rupees. That is approximately 650% returns in last 7 years. ठीक है? Now, if you will do this manually, this strategy will give you 100% loss. Do you guys agree with me? Agree करते हो कि नहीं करते हो? 200 का कॉल पुट बेच दिया, 300 होने तक वेट करोगे क्या? आप अपने जॉब पे या बिजनेस पे या कहीं पे रहोगे, 300 हो गया तो वापस 200 पे ऑर्डर रख पाओगे? आप नहीं रख पाओगे. फॉर ऑल ऑफ दैट यू नीड अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर विदाउट इवन राइटिंग अ सिंगल लाइन ऑफ कोड you can actually do that, and that platform is Option Genie. I will not be able to show you here, but you can note down the name of the platform, Option Genie, where you can create strategies without even writing a single line of code. Here there is premium matching engine. Just mention सुबह इतने बजे 200 का कॉल या 200 का पुट या whatever your wish का बेचना चाहिए या खरीदना चाहिए. री एग्जीक्यूशन, री एंट्री, स्ट्रैटेजी वाइज MTM. इस स्ट्रैटेजी में 10,000 का प्रॉफिट आए सब बंद कर दो, इस स्ट्रैटेजी में 5,000 का लॉस आए सब बंद कर दो. वॉट एवर इज योर कमांड यू कैन मेंशन दैट. सिमिलरली देयर इज स्ट्रैटेजी एनालिटिक्स. अगर आपको लाइव में पैसा लगाने में डर लग रहा है, पेपर ट्रेडिंग कर लो, वर्चुअल ट्रेडिंग करके देख लो कि क्या एक्चुअली पैसा बन रहा है, देन गो लाइव. डे वाइज स्ट्रैटेजी बिल्डर. इफ यू वांट टू रन सम स्ट्रैटेजीज ऑन ओनली ऑन मंडे, some strategies only on Tuesday, some strategies only on Wednesday, like that we have day wise strategy builder, MTM charts, data points, detailed activity log. There are a lot of things that will help you enhance as a trader, right? So all right, बहुत फास्ट बोलना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि 5 मिनट है. स्ट्रैटेजी नंबर 2 पे चलते हैं, ऑप्शन बाइंग. कितने लोगों को एक्साइटमेंट है ऑप्शन बाइंग स्ट्रैटेजी को लेकर? बहुत लोगों को, राइट. सो ऑप्शन बाइंग स्ट्रैटेजी, the approach is changed. The approach has changed here. At 10:30 a.m. we will select the strike closest to 200 rupees, but we will not take an entry. Difference क्या है? ऑप्शन सेलिंग में 9:30 पे 200 रुपीज का कॉल पुट हमने 9:30 डॉट पे बेच दिया. 10:30 पे चूज अ स्ट्राइक विच इज क्लोजेस्ट टू 200 rupees, but don't enter. Don't enter. When will you enter? Enter if it goes up by 20%. If the 200 rupees call or 200 rupees put becomes 240, either call will become 240 or put will become 240, then you enter. And small stop loss of 25%, and for every 5% the market moves in your favor, trail by 5 rupees, and this you can execute by just having 6,000 rupees in your demat account. ठीक है, 6,000 rupees में आप ये strategy deploy कर सकते हो. और this strategy 6,000 rupees से start होके, this strategy has also given in the last 6 years 6 lakh rupees. ऑप्शन सेलिंग ने भी 6 लाख दिया, ये वाली स्ट्रेटेजी ने भी 6 लाख रुपीस दिया. बट द कैच हियर इज 6,000 आपके 14 बार जीरो होंगे पिछले 7 साल में. 14 बार आपके 6,000 क्या हो जाएंगे? 0 0 0 0 0 0. देन आप फिर भी अगर आप पंप इन करते रहोगे तो इवेंचुअली 6 लाख बन गए. बट या डोंट डिप्लॉय ओनली दिस, डोंट डिप्लॉय ओनली दैट. इफ यू डिप्लॉय बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर, cumulative they have given you close to 9.5 lakh rupees in the last 7 years. ठीक है, again all of this can be automated using our platform, right? And there are many other features that our platform will come up with: breakout based trading, day wise P&L log, Greek based adjustment, positional trading, and all of that stuff. Yeah, so we have a stall at just opposite to conference hall 1, where just for a seriousness we have this 2 hours ka live master class that I will have on next Sunday, plus 10 plus courses on stock markets, plus 7 days access of our platform, all of it at just 99 rupees, only for Money Expo users. If anyone wants to visit us just opposite to second conference hall, right? Second conference hall ki just opposite mein hum log ka stall hai. With this we complete the presentation. Now I am open for the question and answers. Yes ma'am. हाँ.
So what do you have to say about this?
They are right. 90% of them lose money.
So even after using all these features,
Still 90% will lose money.
so is there a way to manage this risk? And
To manage the risk, we have the platform where you can put targets, you can put stop loss, and you can put re-entries, re-execution, everything, right? So the only difference what algo trading can bring is, for example, अगर एक बहुत बेकार ट्रेडर है जिसका 1 लाख अगर 1 महीने में जीरो हो रहा है, एल्गो ट्रेडिंग से शायद वो 3 महीना चल जाए. इतना ही फर्क आने वाला है. और कोई अच्छा ट्रेडर है जो शायद 1 साल में 50,000 बना पाता, वो शायद 1 साल में 1 लाख बना ले. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस दैट एल्गो ट्रेडिंग विल ब्रिंग. ओके, यस. नेक्स्ट, एनी अदर डाउट्स?
We have time for just one more question.
Yes.
Does this works only in index or with
Currently
stocks?
it's only in index.
Okay.
However, for stock options, for equities, if someone was asking charting से scanner से automate कर सकता हूँ क्या, trading view से कर सकता हूँ, we have a detailed separate solution for that as well. You can visit our stall, we'll be more than happy to help. Yes.
Hello sir, my name is Om. So as we all know, the strategies are back tested on data sets. So there are multiple times outliers in it. So do we have any process or any features in your
To include
overcome
all the outliers, I am back testing for last 7 years. तो 7 years में election आ गया, corona आ गया, सब आ गया, right? So all outliers are covered. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
We will take the. Okay, yeah, sure.
Sir, do you have any strategy for future day trading based on OI or spread?
ये 2 टेम्पलेट स्ट्रेटजीज हैं, इनको भी पहले पेपर ट्रेड करना, अच्छा लगे तो लाइव ट्रेड करना. एट AlgoFox we never sell any strategies. All right.
We're done. I think we should be done with questions. Mr. Jain, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Jain, and of course to our avid guests. Mr. Jain, forget 99. You take 999 from me, but please magically transform my 6,000 to 6 lakhs. I don't know how you'll do it, but
But you should be ready. It will become 0 14 times.
chalega. But how many years? But how much time will it take?
7 years.
Done. 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 But 7 years, I'll meet you, right, after 7 years?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Jain, one final question from our end would be your love for automation is very evident. So have you also somehow automated your life in any way? Automating, calls and texts from relatives or something of that sort, which I have.
So, I'm a full-time trader. I love trading, and today I spent hardly 2 minutes a day in front of screen, and I'm still able to manage my 8-digit portfolio for intraday trading. So I think that is the biggest automation. And for the other things, I think we should live the life. We
Wow.
should spend time with our friends and family.
ठीक है Mr. Jain, I'm massively impressed. Forget 999, take 9,999, but I am joining. We'll meet you at your stall very soon. Fantastic. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. As Mr. Jain has rightly said, exclusive offer for Money Expo patrons for 2 hours, right? 2 hours masterclass.
2-hour masterclass.
Wow.
And 25,000 worth recorded courses.
Arey, 25. This should be on my 25,000 worth
Recorded
courses. Wow.
Yeah, so 25,000 worth recorded courses which includes coding. अगर किसी को hardcore coding करनी है तो मैंने coding भी सिखाई हुई है वहाँ पे. Also my coding courses are on third party platforms at 40,000 per course.
Mr. Jain is all prepared. My God. Just waiting. Love the energy,
Thank
Mr.
you so
Jain.
much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.